Welcome to S3HU248, 03 Hummer, 125,000 miles. Donated. It's just got a lot of issues, brake issues, engine issue with the power steering pump and hydro boost. Air cleaner's taped on, but it runs and makes oil pressure. 124,675 oil pressure. Let's do a run. For some reason, it does not want to move. Big surprise. See, every time you hit the brakes for that hydro boost, it don't want to go nowhere. I don't know if the key case is bad. Oh my gosh, every time you hit the transfer case, it doesn't want to do anything. It sounds like the engine wants to do something when you engage. We'll check it out. I'll show you the power mirror folds over here. Folds in, folds out, and they move. This one does not fold, but the power still works. Speedometer lit up somewhat. There it goes. Alright, thank you for watching. S3HU248.